So one of the great, I guess, tips for Revit is the Tab key on your keyboard here, and it can help you with a lot of selection. And you can see, let me just reveal the whole view here, but you can see how the student has created a gray area, but it's only on part of the area. Well, really what's happening is those are some split faces that the gray is assigned to. So if you notice, there's this one part right here. You can hover over with your Tab key, so I click there, hit somewhere over here, anyways, you go override by element. You want to change the cut pattern from solid to solid fill to gray. I'm going to do lighter gray. Okay, so that does that part. Then looks like we have a couple other parts out here. You can also just override by category, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to get all those pieces. So I'm just going to hide this floor, hide this building pad, and now I should be able to select that other area there and override that to the same gray and solid fill. Now once you're done, you can just reset the temporary hide isolate. And there you go. You have your gray kind of ground there for your clean Poché look.